Hey student, watch this video and learn how to use wish plus would. Coming up. Hey friends, Teacher Prix here to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. Well, first and foremost, thank you so much for watching this lesson. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing because from Monday to Friday, I always bring new kinds of English lessons to help you become a better and more confident English speaker. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure to hit the like button. This is the second video of the series, Wish, Make a Wish. Well, it's not talking about making a wish, but it is about wish and how to use the word wish, how to create specific sentences with wish. And in this video, part 2, I'm going to show you how to use wish plus would because this is a different structure. So, are you ready? Now, guys, quick review. In the first lesson, you learned about wish plus simple past or wish plus past continuous, okay? These are very common structures. Now, today, we're going to learn about wish plus would because the idea, the translation, will be different when you use wish plus would. But what is the structure like? So when I say wish plus would, I mean a subject plus wish. I wish, you wish, they wish, the doctor wishes, okay? Plus another subject, an object. I wish the doctor, I wish my best friend, I wish the traffic, I wish the situation in the world right now, and then would and the verb. I wish the pandemic would be over. Okay? Why? And here is where it's interesting. I am annoyed, I am irritated about something, or I am worried about something. So basically, when I use wish plus would, I am showing dissatisfaction. I'm not happy about something. I am annoyed about something, or maybe a little worried, okay? I wish my friend wouldn't eat so much junk food. So here, I wish my friend wouldn't. I can use would in the negative form. I wish my friend wouldn't eat the verb and then any complement that will help give meaning to the sentence. So I wish my friend wouldn't eat so much junk food. So here with would, as I said, you can use it in the negative form or you can use would in an affirmative form. It depends on the idea you want to show. I wish my friend would, affirmative, I wish my friend would eat more healthy food. So I wanted him to eat more, healthy food because he eats a lot of junk food. So I wish he would eat more healthy food. So you see, using would or wouldn't comes down to the idea you want to give, okay? Now, one thing that is not common when using this structure, talking about yourself. I wish I would be more patient. Not common, okay? So you don't usually use wish to describe yourself, okay? So I wish I would be taller. No, I wish I would be more patient. No. And remember, when I use wish plus would, I'm talking about something that makes me annoyed, that makes me irritated, and I would like it to change. I would like it to be different. Why do I want it to be different? Probably because it annoys me. So either I want something to happen or something to stop because it makes me annoyed. And hey, if you are enjoying this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and if possible, share this lesson with your friends because when you share, it means you care. Let me give you additional examples. Linda never talks about her day. I wish she would open up more often. So here, what is happening? Linda does not talk about her day. Here, I wish she would open up, talk more about herself, about her life, about her feelings, more often, more frequently. And why am I saying that? Probably because it annoys me. it makes me upset. It makes me irritated that Linda does not talk about her day at all. So here, the situation makes me annoyed. So because of this, I can use the structure wish plus would. So I wish Linda would talk about her day more often, okay? Another example. I wish Alex would stop smoking. That's a very unhealthy and annoying habit. Ugh. So what's the problem here? Alex smokes. And this habit, smoking, I don't like it. It makes me annoyed. It makes me irritated. It makes me dissatisfied or even worried about him, okay? So I wish Alex would stop smoking. Or maybe I wish Alex wouldn't smoke. So there are many possibilities here, okay? Whether you use would in an affirmative way or negative way depends on the idea you want to give, okay? Another example, I wish students would stop translating. Huh? So here I use an affirmative form of would because I want to say I wish students in general would stop translating. But I could also say I wish students wouldn't translate when learning English. So you see, I can change a little, but I am basically saying the same thing. I wish students would stop translating. And I wish students wouldn't translate. Very similar ideas. But here I'm using affirmative form and here I'm using negative form. So you see, that's the idea, all right? And hey, stay with me until the end because we're gonna have a practice time and I wanna see your answers in the comments. Let's participate and put into practice the lesson you are going to learn today. So stay tuned. Now guys, what is the difference between wish plus past and wish plus would? In a nutshell, when I use wish plus past, I am talking about things that I would like to be different in the present or in the future. However, these things that I want to be different are impossible or very unlikely, probably not possible. So impossible or unlikely. Probably won't happen, okay? So that's the idea. So I wish I were taller. This is not going to change. That's it. I'm tall. I'm not going to grow up more. This is impossible or unlikely to happen, okay? So that's the idea. So here I want something to be different in the present or in the future. But this thing I want different is basically impossible or unlikely. Now, when I'm using wish plus would, it is different. I'm talking about something that is annoying me, that is irritating, and I don't like it. And I just wish it would stop or be different because I am annoyed or because I am dissatisfied or even because I'm worried about. Okay? Awesome. Now it's practice time. I'm gonna give you 7 sentences and you need to create wish plus would phrases to describe what you want to be different. So here's number 1. It annoys me. It makes me annoyed. It makes me irritated. It annoys me that salespeople aren't more patient. After I tell you the 7 phrases, I'll give you the answers or possible answers, okay? So number 1, it annoys me that salespeople aren't more patient. Number 2, it annoys me that you crack your knuckles all the time. So that's cracking your knuckles, okay? Number 3, it annoys me that my sister always wears my jackets. It annoys me that my sister always wears my jackets. Number 4, it annoys me that it doesn't stop raining. It annoys me that it doesn't stop raining. Number 5, it annoys me that Peter talks about sports so much. Number 6, it annoys me that my parents embarrass me in front of my friends. And number 7, it annoys me that you drive so fast. So I want to see your answers in the comments, but here on the screen you can see possible answers for the 7 phrases I have just given you. Check them out. I wish salespeople would be more patient. I wish you wouldn't crack your knuckles all the time. I wish my sister wouldn't wear my jackets. I wish it would stop raining. I wish Peter would stop talking about sports. I wish my parents wouldn't embarrass me in front of my friends. I wish you wouldn't drive so fast. So there you have it. I hope you post your answers in the comments. I would love to see what your answers will be like. Other than that, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!